Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, and in this video I'll guide you through how to fix the app not installed problem on your device. Follow the steps carefully to resolve the installation issue completely. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and enable notifications. Now let's begin.